Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshis. Kamusta na po kayo? Andito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading, and this is for the sign of Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Jenny at yung mga bago po nating mga viewers. Ngayon po, tanong natin yung ano ang palatandaan ng kinabukasan para sa'yo at sa person mo. Sabi dito, photography. Okay, so, photography, ito yung parang pagbabalik tanaw, diba? Kasi, pagdating sa mga photography is more or less similar to saying pictures, no? Mga litrato. Siyempre, tinitignan mo yung mga litrato noon dahil siguro may namimiss kang tao, no? Meron kang parang gustong makita muli o binabalik ka lang nito sa mga dating panahon, no? Something very nostalgic, no? Nostalgia, something like that. Na, di ba, yung pag natingin tayo sa mga luma nating mga litrato, ito ay parang pagbabalik tanaw, di ba? Parang inaalala mo yung dati. Lalo na kung yung tinitignan mong litrato nagdulot sa iyo ng kaligayahan, di ba? Yung mga pictures natin noon, especially yung kabataan natin o yung maliit pa tayo, talagang ang nakikita mo lang talaga are good memories, laughter, fun, enjoyment, things like that. But syempre hindi po tayo pare-pareho, but may mga pagkakataon na sometimes yung pagtingin din natin sa mga old pictures, it help us to remember also na merong hindi naging maganda sa nangyari dito, no? Especially if it concerns about our relationship, sa ating love, no? Yung mga ating ex, yung mga tipong ganon. So, dati masaya kayo and then nagkahiwalay kayo, no? Kaya nawala na siya, kinuha na siya ni Lord. So it brings up something na parang ibinabalik ka sa nakaraan mo, no? Ganon yung nakikita ko dito. So, tignan natin ngayon sa tarot. So, maybe yung kung gaba yung palatandaan dito is maybe it's something to do with photographs. Okay, so that's the sign. That is the tarot. Oops, may nag-flip. We have the Nine of Pentacles, the Four of Cups, the Empress, the King of Wands, and the Six of Swords. Bottom niya is the Page of Pentacles. Okay, Jemmy. So, nag-start tayo sa iyong card, Nine of Pentacles. ito yung enerhiya na nag-umpisa ka na single, no? Very much single, and sabihin natin na okay lang, no? Okay ang iyong estado sa buhay. Meron kang trabaho, meron kang naiipon, maganda naman takbo ng career mo. So, in other words, happy ka naman being independent, okay? Kasi dito, hindi mo kailangan ng somebody to support you. Okay? Parang sinasabi dito na ikaw lang, no? On your own, kayang-kaya mo mabuhay. Kasi lahat naman ng gustuhin mo, nabibigay mo sa sarili mo. Okay? No problem. And then, I think it came to that point na may nag-offer ng love sa'yo. Okay? With the Four of Cups. You being somebody na talagang know her worth. Alam mo yung halaga mo kasi this is the Empress. Alam mo kung anong capabilities mo. Alam yung kaya mo talagang ibigay, idulot. Kung ba what I can contribute on the table. Yung mga tipong ganon. So, you're very confident, no? Alam mo Gemini, exactly who you are and what you can do. But I think it has something to do also when you met this King of Wands, a fire sign. Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, o meron siya nito sa kanyang chart. You find it to be very attractive. No? Hindi, I won't blame you kasi may mga itsura talaga yung mga fire sign. No? They're very attractive people. Now, ito kasi yung nagbibigay ng parang something, kung ba parang it triggers your yung mga parang alam mo yung tingin mo doon sa tao na intriga ka kasi this person is really very fun to be with, masarap kasama, masarap kausap. Yung pagdating sa pakikipag-sosyalan, hindi ka talaga madi-disappoint nitong tao na to. This person would make sure that you also have fun, no? May enjoy mo lahat. And very determined, very creative person. No? Yung talagang kung gaba in terms of having somebody in your life, a companion. Ito yung isa sa mga, sabihin natin, very ideal. No? Very ideal. Yung talagang parang ito na talaga yung gusto ko makasama sa aking buhay. No? Kasi they have that zest for life. They love adventure. They love to, go and explore and see the world. Yung mga ganung tipo. Kaya ikaw naman, syempre, naitriga ka no? Because you want to try that too. Gusto mong ma-experience yun. Especially maybe with this person kasi nga may attraction There is so much attraction between the two of you. Now, we will see kasi yung sinasabi dito is the Six of Swords is telling me na there was a decision that needs to be made na kailangang kung gaba pumunta sa isang mas matahimik na lugar o kapulungan or something na magbibigay ng katahimikan sa inyong dalawa. Okay? Either sa inyong dalawa o sa iyo lang, Gemini. Or do sa person mo. Take it as it resonates. Kung ba, parang you are looking for a something that is much uh, yung gets ko na parang hindi mabilis, hindi mabagal yung takbo ng buhay. Tama lang, tahimik. Madali siyang ma-cope up, no? Yung ganong sitwasyon na pagtahimik, kalmado. So, kayang-kaya, di ba? Kayang-kaya mong ilagay yung sarili mo sa ganong sitwasyon. So, I think that is what you're trying to find. Kasi, di ba, sometimes, hindi natin kaya tong energy na to, itong King of Wands, no? Kasi they're on the go most of the time. Ano to kung gaba action-oriented, galaw ng galaw. Sige, lika, gawin na natin. You, on the other hand, Gemini, syempre you need to stop. You need to stop and think about it, no? Being very logical, a logical person, iniisip mo muna talaga lahat. Teka muna, hindi naman sa ayaw mo ng no, enjoyment, but mabilis na face ng buhay, no? Yung sa'yo kasi, syempre, yung gusto mo yung kaya mo wherein you could be very comfortable of what you are doing or moving into. Kaya parang ito yung naging decision no? It's either you or para sa inyong pareho, sa inyong dalawa, or either one of you. Okay? Kasi there was a message that was received and it has something to do with money. Okay, kabuhayan, pera. No, maybe how things are being, tignan natin kung paano, kung how we are using our money, paano natin nagagastos to. Maybe because, di ba nga sabi ko, initially, okay ka no? May pera ka. Maybe when you met this person, kasi nga, labas ng labas, enjoy na enjoy, I think you are getting to be very cautious of how you do your spending. No? Kasi medyo, kung gaba madalas itong labas ng labas. So, tipong, alika, punta tayo dito, gawin natin to, ganyan. Ikaw, parang, teka muna. No? You're trying to put a break na huwag tayong palaging ganon. Hindi mabilis. Hindi action. Walang masama kung tatahimik tayo minsan. We just enjoy each other's company. You know, punta lang tayo sa isang lugar na park, na tahimik. Doon lang tayo, mag-uusap. Something like that. Very calming. No? Hindi kailangan ng galaw ng galaw o action. And if it's something to do, you are trying to remember this person, maybe you come across another photograph, no? Kung gaba parang, if you would compare about it, yung takbo ng relationship nyo, di ba, you take pictures kasi you want to reserve that moment na ano kayo masaya kayo, kaya di ba kuha kayong picture to remember that memory. But somehow, syempre, you will keep that picture or that photo later, and then eventually, maybe one day, you come across with it again. Nakita mo lang sa cellphone mo, sa camera, dun sa kung saan naka-store yung mga picture mo sa cellphone, or kung ikaw yung old school na tipong talagang may picture, no? Yung kinukuha na ng camera as pinapa-develop mo, and then you just keep it sa isang album, photo album, no? This nakuha mo isang araw kasi maybe meron kang hinahanap, tapos you come across with that album, nabuksan mo, so parang ibinalik ka sa dating nakaraan. Kaya parang ganun I think there was a point in your time that you did enjoy this company, no? Itong ganitong klaseng movement sa relationship, mabilis, masaya, maraming pinupuntahan, may adventure, stuff like that. But at the end, you've decided na, nope, I wanted to be something very quiet, very peaceful, tahimik, hindi nagmamadali, o hindi mabilis yung galaw. I think that was what is the message around here. No? It's just like the photographs. No? It brings back that memory, and then eventually, what happens, diba? Aalalahanin natin, and then we close it, diba? Sinasara ulit natin yung album na yon o yung picture na yon. We just keep it there, no? Maybe for another time for us to look at it back, no? Para matignan muli natin, but not really to, kung ba, check on it every day. Hindi ganun eh. It's just there to remind us of something that happened sa past that brought us good memories. Okay? That's how I see the side of your relationship, Gemini, na parang meron ka lang titignan mo tong relationship na to be something na nangyari noon, na okay, masaya o may malungkot, and then tapos na to eh, isasara ko na muli. Parang pinaalala lang sa'yo, pero isasara mo ulit. Tapos you go on with your life, no? And then it will just go on a cycle. Maybe one day bubuksan, makakakam across mo ulit yung picture, makikita mo na naman, diba? Sometimes we don't really throw away or delete pictures, but we just keep it there, no? Andiyan lang siya, nakatabi, because it helps us nga to recall, to remind us of the good times, the good old days, diba? And maybe the bad days as well. But nandun lang siya, parang naka-store sa archive, no? Sa archive ng memory mo. So that's how I see the sign in terms of your relationship. You wanted something very peaceful, tahimik lang, walang magulong relationship. Okay? If we are to clarify, okay, tignan natin itong yung King of Wands. Bakit andito yung King of Wands? We have the Eight of Cups, the World, and the Queen of Cups. So, meron nga umalis, definitely. Kasi with the Eight of Cups, somebody walk away. No? It could be that person who walked away. Umalis siya. Kaya yun ang nag-trigger na magkaroon ng panibagong change, no? Pagbabago sa buhay niyong dalawa. Nagkaroon ng panibagong cycle na iba, no? Na iba na yung guhit ng tadhana para sa inyong dalawa. Kasi umikot yung gulong ng tadhana o gulong ng palad na tatawag natin. Yung gulong na yun, it has something to do with your love, yung pagmamahal, with the Queen of Cups, no? Kasi dahil sa pag-alis na yan, yun yung nag-trigger na parang tapos na, hindi na kami, nawala yung pagmamahalan, no? O naiba yung pagmamahalan. Okay? Now, bakit andito yung Six of Swords? We have the Three of Wands, the Four of Pentacles, and the Six of Wands. Okay, Gemini, ang sinasabi dito, very interesting. the Three of Wands, may iniintay ka pa rin. May iniintay kang bumalik. I think you are holding on, no? With the Four of Pentacles, you're holding on to that idea na babalik siya. Kasi you wanted to be, kung ba victorious with this person. Gusto mong maging kayo pa rin. No? Umaasa ka na maging kayo pa rin. And that is why you are holding on to this photograph, di ba? Kung ba, di ba sabi ko nga na you couldn't let it go. Parang hindi mo basta maalis. Nilalagay mo lang sa archive mo, di ba? Yung naka-store. Tinatabi mo siya. Kasi nga, ang sabi dito is, iniintay mo siya eh. Iniintay mo na sana bumalik. Kasi kaya hindi ka basta-basta nagle-let go of what you had with this person. Because you still wanted na maging kayong dalawa. Umaasa ka pa na maging kayo pang dalawa. Wala namang sama doon. Gemini, I'm not judging you. If really find this person to be the one for you and that makes you very happy, despite of what happened here, na iniwan ka o umalis siya, whatever, kung ano man naging sitwasyon nyo dito, kahit ano pa yan, tatanggapin mo pa rin siya pabalik. Kasi gusto mo talaga. Gusto mo talaga siya. That is why you keep holding on. You know, you miss this person. It brings back yung dati. Yung dating kayo. And hopefully, yung pagbabalik niyang to would make another new memories, no? If you kung titignan mo, if you think about it, ang picture naman, hindi lang naman yung nakaraan. You could make a new one, di ba? Once nagkita kayo, o picture tayo, selfie tayo ulit, di ba? O group picture tayo, something like that, to create another new memory. Which is okay, di ba? We continuously do that. And that is what you wanted. Ito yung gusto mong mangyari, Gemini. Walang masama doon. Okay? Now what I would ask is, babalik ba siya? Babalik ba yung person? O babalik ka ba doon, Gemini? Sa person mo? You say yes. This is the Judgment card. You are asking for a second chance. Pangalawang pagkakataon with this person. I think you are praying to God, asking for a second chance. Ano po yung message? Nag-flip. It says here, finding myself. It was time I went within to find myself again. I need to figure out what I want out of life. I need space. Okay? So parang siguro yung umalis, no? Ikita si resonates nga, either you or your person, kung sino man yung umalis, needs just to find him or herself again. Para lang, alam mo yung klaro na, okay, ito ako, ito yung gusto ko. Kasi minsan, di ba, kailangan talaga natin ng space. We need that me time, no? Para nga, mapag-aralan mong mabuti kung ano yung kailangan mo. It is just same as saying here na, di ba kaya tayo umaalis at naghahanap ng lugar na tahimik? Kasi gusto natin alamin pa yung ating sarili. Diba? So, ano natin kung ano pa yung advice nyo para kay Gemini? Patience, please. Ang sabi dito, what you're asking for is coming. What you're asking for is coming about. Have patience, as they are unseen factors that need to occur first. Okay, so maliwanag ba? Sensya na, hindi ko kasi masyadong mabasa yung print kasi masyadong maliit. Kaya I need to read it very close. Okay, so patience please. Intay ka lang. Okay, mag-intay ka lang. Gemini, yung hinihingi mo dadating. Pero meron pang mga bagay-bagay na kailangang maganap o mangyari na nagbibigay ng kung ba kadagdagan na factor dito sa hinihiling mo. Kaya mag-intay ka lang kung ba. Okay? So, kung kanino mang Gemini itong enerhiya na nakuha ko ngayon, sana nakatulong ito sa iyo ng malaki. Maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa na to. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.